my channel. So today's video is a really very easy peasy smoky eye makeup look tutorial. So in today's video I'm using the products of my favorite brand Myglamm. Also I'm using their recently launched collection, POPxo makeup collection. I got the different products like their mini eyeshadow, then there is this face kit. Also this is the 12 color eyeshadow, 12 shade eyeshadow. Also there is this nail paint collection, nail polish collection. Plus it has this mini lip kit. This packet contains 3 different colors of lipsticks. So without wasting any much more time, let's get to the tutorial quickly. Also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell.